Fibroids are non-cancerous tumors that grow in the uterus. They can cause pelvic pain and problems during menstruation, such as heavy periods. Signs of fibroids are not always noticeable because they are often located deep in the uterus. Some fibroids can be so large that some women mistake them for pregnancies because they can cause the womb to swell. Fibroids can cause infertility, and one common way to get rid of them is through surgery. Women can also reduce the size of their fibroid tumors through a healthy diet and lifestyle. Eating a variety of foods that are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants is a good way to help with this condition and increase the chances of fertility. Some healthy foods that you can eat to help shrink your fibroids include carrots, sweet potatoes, blueberries, kale, spinach, avocado, and dark chocolate. Kale contains calories and is an excellent source of vitamin K. You can also eat celery, salmon, lentils, beans, asparagus, and oatmeal. Celery is a great source of vitamin C. Salmon contains high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. Lentils are a good source of folate, which is a nutrient that helps reduce the risk of developing fibroids. Beans are a good source of folate, which is a nutrient that also helps reduce the risk of fibroids forming in your body. Asparagus is also an excellent source of folate. Oatmeal is an excellent source of fiber, which can help decrease inflammation and regulate hormone levels. Other foods that women can eat to help reduce the size of their fibroids are dark leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Eating these foods can help reduce pain and heavy bleeding during periods. They also help to reduce the risk of developing cancer. Another good food to eat is onions and garlic, which are natural antibiotics that can help fight off infection. Other foods that are considered to be fibroid-melting foods are apples and cucumbers. These foods help with the detoxification process of your body and cleanse it of toxins. Eat foods that are rich in phytoestrogens, like soy, green tea, and black tea. Another way to help with fibroids is by eating a diet that is low in refined sugars, processed foods, and alcohol. Women should avoid foods that contain caffeine, a lot of salt, and fat. Fibroids can react negatively to acidic foods.